Colleen Hoover's Layla is a captivating blend of romance and supernatural suspense that marks a departure from her usual contemporary romance style. The novel follows Leeds Gabriel as he struggles to reconnect with his girlfriend Layla after a traumatic attack leaves her drastically changed. Hoover masterfully weaves elements of paranormal mystery into a deeply emotional love story, keeping readers guessing until the very end. The author's signature writing style shines through in the complex character development and poignant exploration of love, loss, and the lengths one will go to for those they care about. The pacing is well crafted, balancing moments of intense suspense with quieter, introspective scenes. Hoover's ability to create palpable tension and emotional depth keeps readers invested in the character's journey. While the supernatural elements may surprise Hoover's usual readers, they add an intriguing layer to the narrative, allowing for a unique exploration of themes like identity and the nature of love. The plot takes unexpected turns, challenging readers' expectations and delivering a thought-provoking story. Layla showcases Hoover's versatility as an author, successfully venturing into new territory while maintaining the emotional resonance her fans have come to expect.